Hey, it's Natalie, and I just wanted to make a quick video to introduce this new line of art and tell you a little bit about how to hang it and how we're going to sell it. So these are images of glass that are made close up and then printed with a super high gloss on them on metal. So it really has the look and feel of glass without the fragility of glass and the ease of hanging. It's better for houses that have kids in them. Anyway, so the back is has a hanging system that's already on there when you order it. It's proportionate to the size of the piece that you're getting. So really all you want to do is stick a nail in the wall, and I don't think these are heavy enough to require drywall screws, but maybe on the really bigger ones. So anyway, you just hang it up, and because they're circles, it doesn't matter as far as getting them level. You really can't mess it up. I mean, these were just randomly placed up here, and if you want this to hang a little bit closer over here, you can use one of the other ones, and it will just hang a little differently. And that would be too close, and so I would just move it back over. So you can play around with them a bunch. Oops. And the way we're going to sell these is in groups. So we'll sell them in groups of 5 and 7. This one I believe is 9 or 10, maybe 11. And this area is 9 feet wide and 10 feet tall. And then a little bit around the corner there, which I kind of like moving it up. So what you're going to do is decide which one of the prints that you like, which images you like best, and say you're ordering 5 of them. So the one that you want the largest, you would have that one first. And then the second largest, you would have that one second. And the third largest, and on and on and on. So if you're ordering 5, you would place them largest to smallest and what styles you like. This one is just a myriad of colors and textures, but you can also group them together. If you were ordering just 3, you could get 3 that are in the same color family and put those together. So you have a lot of options. You could do just a bunch of blues, and so that way you could match it with your space. Hey, okay, so I just wanted to give a little bit more information about hanging these. So I basically hung this series here in about 10 minutes. All I used was these tiny little nails and a hammer. You don't need drywall screws as far as I'm concerned. For this bigger one, you might have want a little bit bigger of a nail, but super easy to do. And really the strategy is just, if you get it a little bit down, like an angle like this with the nail, then it helps them sit a little bit flatter on the wall. So this wasn't going to tear up your whole wall. You take this out, you're not going to, tiny little hole here, you can repair that and no big deal. So that's kind of a lot of people's pet peeve, is putting these too many holes in their walls. So this isn't going to be that big of a deal for you. And what else? So kind of the strategy was to put the largest ones up first and then kind of fill in with the smaller ones. I like to separate all the color and kind of balance the color, but if you're going for a specific theme of color, then you can always pick the ones that are in the same family and kind of group them together. Let's pretend that those don't even exist. But you can easily move them around. If you're going for this kind of a situation, maybe just these 5, I would maybe put that one right there and keep it all in that color family. But otherwise, I like to just spread it out across the wall. You can group them closer together or further apart depending on how many you purchase and how much wall space you have.